Hey guys, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax here. We've just finished up a little shower this morning. It's quiet and still, and I wanted to take this opportunity to do a walkthrough video of a 21 SPX that we're listing. Year model on this boat's a 2020, and as you can see from the Simrad digital dash, she has approximately 34 hours, 33 hours and 55 minutes. This boat does have bottom paint. For a short time the owners kept it in the water, and for the last little bit the boat's been stored in our dry storage facility on site. Cushions are in good shape. Just do a scan around the front here to show you that. It's got the woven vinyl floor. Feels great on the feet. You can see the snaps around the side. This boat is equipped with the bow and cockpit covers. We just had a pretty substantial rain here. I apologize for the flooring and cushions and everything being damp, but just had the opportunity to get a video and wanted to shoot it for you while I had the chance. Again, upholstery is in great shape. Standing underneath a BIM top. I'll try to take a step back in a minute and give you that. And I wanted to show you the storage down below. You got an engine cover there, some life jackets, your throw cushion. These folks have a porta potty. They've got a couple young children that they would set down in there for them to use. Over on the other side, large amount of storage there. There's your support poles. This folds down. You can see this cushion's in great shape. Your aft sunrest, this pops up with a support back, so if you are anchored, got a backrest there. Watching the kids play in the water. Boat's equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke engine. There's your ski pylon. Take a quick peek down there. Got 2 batteries with selector switch. Boarding ladder. You can see the sea deck. It's my camera bag there, but you got sea deck flooring on the swim platform. We get a panoramic view here. Man, awesome color. Light gray, dark gray interior. See a Fusion stereo up there. There's storage under that port helm area. That's where the cockpit covers are currently. And then down in the floor is a large ski locker. Right now it's got a bow anchor in there, stern anchor. You can slide wakeboards, all your water sports toys in there. Got a carry-on cooler there. That cushion flips up, gets you on and off the boat with all your supplies in one trip. And then underneath here, you got some fenders in storage, but you can plug that. It is insulated. You can use it for a cooler. Got storage in this compartment. Got storage where my camera is. Flip that up and there's storage there. Guys, this boat has a ton of storage. It's versatile. It is very fun to run with the 150 outboard. Easy to maintain. White hull color, so low maintenance there as well. Again, you can see the Fusion speakers forward. Got a couple here in the aft section area. Also have some LED lighting in here. Let me just flip that switch, give you a quick peek of that. And the light this morning, you can see all the stainless cup holders lit up with that blue LED lighting throughout. See up here in the bow, you got the courtesy lights lit up. You can take the time to show you this BIM top too. It's in good shape. Does have the bow, or excuse me, the bimini boot with it. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Got a nice clean 210 Sea Ray SPX for you. Give me a call at your convenience. My cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. If you have any questions about this boat or any others we have listed. Thanks. Have a great day.